will show you how to make restaurant style ghee rice. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now let's add whole spices, which include cinnamon, kapok birds, brown cardamom and green cardamom, clove and star anise. Bay leaf will add nice flavor. Let's add 2. In goes half spoon of cumin seeds. Saute the spices. Now add few cashew nuts. Saute them until they are light brown. Add 1 sliced onion. In goes 4 slit green chilies. Fry them nicely. Now add some fresh green peas. It's time to add 2 cups of rice. To this add 2 cups of coconut milk and 2 cups of water. Add salt to taste. Pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Add 1 spoon of ghee and gently mix. Yummy ghee rice is ready. Subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Bye guys.